Welcome, welcome, welcome. In this video, we're gonna be making a sub $9 vehicle containment mat for your garage. And before we get started here, you're probably asking, what is a vehicle containment mat? Well, a vehicle containment mat is something that allows your vehicle, car or quad or skidoo or whatever, to drive on it. It can melt all the snow and dirt on the mat. It has raised edges, and then you can drag the mat outside and dump it, or just let it sit there and evaporate. And I'm in my socks right now, so we're gonna go inside. So online, they're anywhere from $300 to $800, and we're not gonna do that. Okay, so obviously we have the tarps. These were $4 each, if you can see that, at Dollarama. So total with tax, $8.40. Velcro I already had. And 4 1x2s, which I already had as well. Okay, so what we've done so far is we've fastened 5 out of the 6 of these bolts in here. So what we used was a bolt like this, just because I had them already and I had 6 of them. So a washer on the outside that'll stop it from going through this hole here. We drill a hole in the 1x2 and then secure it on there. So let me do that right now. Now, I am using 1x2s here just because we had them already, but if you have 2x4s, or I think 2x2s would be ideal, because a 1x2 is 1.5 inches by 1/2 inch, so there's not that much of a sidewall here. So ideally something with like 1.5 inch sidewall, a 2x2 would be good. So if you have that, go ahead and use that. Good to go. There we are. So what we're doing now is putting Velcro on these side pieces. So these ones on the side are fixed, obviously. These ones are going to be able to be slid in and out so that this thing kind of accordions closed and you can put it up on the shelf. So what we're doing is we have our Velcro cut to size. The abrasive side is going on the wood and the soft side is going on the tarp. And what we did with the other side is we just used a stapler, because we don't have a staple gun, and we just pounded into the wood, and then we staple this side in, and it works great. So let's do it on this side. Now we're gonna stick the soft side on there so that it will line up when we stick it on the tarp. Okay, now we're gonna move it in here and stick it to the tarp. Now what we can do is, now that the soft side is stuck to the tarp, we'll peel it up because we know it's in place. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll staple it onto the tarp. There we are. Okay, we're just gonna test it out here by putting some water on there. Now ideally this mat is good for a garage without a drain. The reason I'm doing this is because my family has some lake property, and in our lake garage we don't have a drain out there, so we were looking for something that the skidoos or the quads could sit on and melt all the snow onto it, and we wouldn't have to squeegee it out every half an hour or an hour. So far there's a decent amount of water on there. It's all come to this corner by the drain, obviously. I think this is gonna work pretty good.
Me too.
Because that's a fair amount of water already. All right, so this is just a test, but it's surprising how all this water, with only a ½ inch of walls here, it's such a big spread. I don't know how big it is. It's probably 5 feet by 7 feet or so. And with such a big spread, ½ inch by 5 feet by 7 feet would hold quite a bit of water, especially on a flat surface. So I just sprayed water in there for about 3 minutes, and it doesn't look like that much, but there's actually quite a bit of water in there. Okay, now we're gonna show you guys how to drain it. So what you're gonna wanna do is, see, this is good that we use the Velcro here. So what we can do is take the Velcro out, swing this piece out of the way, and have it drain in the corner here. Okay, so this is for storage. We went ahead and took the 2 side ones with the Velcro out. Now, all you do is you roll it up. And you have your portable containment mat.